Okay, guys, thank you very much for being with me, and welcome to our meeting in the morning of Tuesday, May 12th. Well, what I think is okay to do for hi everyone. What is okay to do for the nearest future is like to buy gold, silver, to buy Great Britain pound. About an hour ago, I was talking with my colleagues, traders in Traders Club, and it was okay technically to look for short positions for euro, for Great Britain pound, but only on 15-minute chart. It was okay for the period 1 hour ago, but for now it looks like it's really good to buy all it for 1 hour, for 4-hour charts. I will share with you a technical situation, and you guys put these fingers under the video. Thank you very much. Well, yeah, we today discuss some technical situation that is okay to use for nearest future, like Tuesday and Wednesday. If you have any questions, particular questions about some currency pair, you are welcome to ask them. If I can tell you some opinion that is okay and valuable, you will hear it. If I don't have an opinion, I don't discuss just because, okay? Well, here is the Great Britain pound. What I think about this currency pair is that it's still in the range, and we discussed with you. Yeah, hi. We discussed with you this range with a level of support 122.60, level of resistance 126.30, and level that is between those lines is 124.50. Guys, I'm online. It's working day, and we will be fast. Okay. So yeah, for Great Britain pound, what I like here is the divergence. I'm not sure if it's the same in English. It's in Russian divergence. I use it as a signal to help me to understand that market is trying to give us a way upside down. So if price was going down, I see divergence, and this is a moment, not a signal, not a moment to go in long positions right away, but it is a moment that we can hear this information, divergence. We can hear it like, oh, okay, yeah, I see it. So it is possible for price to go up. What else can I see here? Okay, I see this range. I see range. What does it mean? When price is on the level of support, we are okay to buy this currency pair. You asked me a lot about the situation, like what do I trade intraday? And well, actually I can show you these lines, all these lines, so you will see what I work intraday for Great Britain pound. It looks like that. What I use here, I use moving averages, 200 moving average, 1,400, 144, 96, and 24. So yeah, here are like a couple of moving averages, and also I use these envelopes. This, you see blue one line, the red one, those envelopes and lines. Well, yeah, that's what I use intraday, and I get signals with the help of stochastic oscillator. For example, when stochastic goes down, this is the moment to buy. When it's on the bottom side, it's the moment to buy. When it's on the upside, it's the moment to sell. So for now, it is important for Great Britain pound for signal on 4-hour chart to go up. So to buy Great Britain pound, I will wait intraday on 15-minute chart price to go above 144 moving average and above 200 moving average. After that, it is okay to go up. That's what I use. That's what works for me. Okay, now we go to, I think we should close this MT4 and to go to United States dollar. I think it will be interesting. Look here. This is USDX, United States dollar index. What I like about this situation, actually we did discuss it with you, this range. On 4-hour chart, I see range. What will I add here? Oscillators and RSI, relative stretch index, yes. Period 14, okay. I have those lines on RSI index, 30 and 70 lines, and now we see that price is almost, not there, but almost near the level of resistance. So this is not the best moment to buy United States dollar, but if price, what I'm going to go through is to wait for price to stay above 100.20. 100.20 is a good level of resistance. It was good last week, and this might become a good level of support. And if price will stay above 100.20, after that it is okay to go up with the target 101. Until it's under 100.20 on 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, we can wait for price to go down, somewhere down. I don't discuss this scenario because actually I'm waiting for price to stay above 100.20, just to stay, maybe not to go far for today, but to stay above. Okay, so we come back to this terminal. And we go through gold. Let's go to gold and silver because I know that you trade all these instruments. And for now, I go check chart, what you write here, to divide. Oh, thank you very much. I'm so happy you're here. You always help me with different English words. That is so nice of you. Thank you. Yes, about the moving averages, I will repeat it intraday, but this is not just moving averages that you put and you understand what to do. This is a system. So there are different moving averages on 15-minute chart for Great Britain pound, euro, New Zealand dollar, and Australian dollar, for 4 currency pairs with United States dollar. So only 4 currency pairs for this moving averages and stochastic, and only 15-minute chart. That is the trading system. So I'm not ready actually just to give you these instruments and like live with this. This is some moving averages that I did find out by myself, and I did work with it for a long time. So that is something I made, and it works for me intraday. So if you want to take it, you can take it actually. Well, here is like 200 moving average, 144, 96, 24, and 2 envelopes with the 24 moving average. But those envelopes for different currency pairs, they have different. For euro dollar has moving average 24 and envelopes with a moving average 24, but there are some more parameters that you need to put, and all these parameters are different for euro dollar, for Great Britain pound, for Australian dollar, and for New Zealand. So it's really long to discuss right now. Okay, now we go to gold. And after that we discuss silver and euro. For gold, we did discuss with you all these levels: 1,690 and 1,720. Actually, for now, I think that this is something that we could use further. Nothing else. Well, you see this tendency line. I live with this tendency line from yesterday's evening, from here. I don't give a signal to my traders club to buy because look here, I see this tendency line, I see reaction on this tendency line, I see price trying to go up. What I need to be sure to buy this currency pair or this gold or Brent, whatever, for now it's gold. What I need, well, for me it's just chart actually. What I need here, I need price to break this tendency line, you see. So I have a reaction on one tendency line, price is going up, they could stop here and go down. So what I'm waiting for to buy, for price to break previous tendency line, they did break it, retest, and for now it is okay to go up with a stop loss under 1,696, something like that, and to try to go up to 1,710 and so far, okay. If we go to a daily chart, that is what I follow, this situation. And I would like to remind you that when price breaks this tendency line on daily chart, it's more likely that price will try to go here. So if we discuss short positions, I can discuss short positions only when they break this tendency line on daily chart. Okay, yes, I see this tendency line on 1 hour chart, the one that I found out last evening. Yeah, so this tendency line, it is okay, but for daily chart, you understand that more important is the one that takes beginning on April 20. I go to check what you write to me. Okay, if this is understandable, we go to silver. And I like silver to go up to 16.20. It's the same that we did discuss with you with my Traders Club, Traders Club Pro and Traders Club. What I give to Traders Club Pro, I give situation in the moment, like, oh, okay, price is here, and you decide, well, actually, if you see a rebound, you sell, and if you see the breakdown, you buy. I push you in the moment, like, well, here's the situation that we were talking about. Also, I give some situations beforehand, like, well, okay, you decide either you're ready to work with it, or, well, someone needs to put some more money or to find some more money to trade this position. So yeah, I give you opportunity to find some trading situation by yourself, but I make all the technique situation, I make all these drawings, and I show you the picture, and you decide in the moment when price comes to this rebound point. And for trading club, just regular trading club, I give those videos twice a week. And for now, what I did discuss with my traders club is that level 15.56. Above this level, it is okay to go up and buy with the target 16.22. So for silver, that's something that I'm being ready to work. If, look here, why I discuss all the time, when price breaks down some level or gives you a rebound, after that you trade, okay? Not like you watch this situation and you say, well, whatever, it might go up, and you buy right away. But before going up, before giving us this opportunity to earn this money, price will retest some tendency line in the bottom side, like goes down, and after that it jumps up. So in this moment, when price will try to test this tendency line in the bottom side, you can lose money. You will be in a psychological situation like, oh my god, I did something wrong, I should close this position, and you close your minus. After that, price goes back to scenario that you were likely to work with. Well, yeah, so that is why I'm telling you, when price goes above some level, when they give you the break, after that, please work with those levels. So now we go to euro. We go to euro dollar. What is okay for this currency pair? Well, okay, this is 1 hour chart. Yesterday I had some awful day actually, because I was I was buying. Yeah, I bought euro dollar. It was 1.0815. Actually, I can even show you 15-minute chart to give you a clue where I was buying it. And let me change. Yes, right here. This is 15-minute chart. I was buying it right here. I have all the signals in my Trading Club Pro, for Russian people. So yeah, I was buying right here. And price stayed for a long time. It went a little bit up, gave a little money, it went down again, and it went a little bit up, went down again. After that, it jumps, finally, it jumps to our price, 1.0840. After this point, 1.0840, my target, second target, was up to 1.0890. But what I usually do right to my traders, after you reach first point, you close your position, you wait for price to be stable above your first target. After you see the price as being above your first target, and you don't see these shadows, look this, these shadows from the upside. This is not a signal to buy when you see these kind of shadows. This shows you that here is someone trying to sell currency pair, okay? So also, look here, there is some tendency line, one more tendency line, and price is touching 200 moving average, touching these tendency lines. So it's not that easy to hold your long position further. After that, we go down, we sell a little bit. What's going on for now? Okay, because there was a good moment to sell. What's going on now? What is it here? What I see? Here's the 200 moving average. When price will go above this 200 moving average, after that, we are okay to go up and buy with the target 1.0890. Okay, but only when price breaks this tendency line, this 200 moving average. What should we pay attention to? 200 moving average and stochastic oscillator is here. When stochastic oscillator is here, it means that price may go down. It's like a signal to sell. But it's not only one moment to sell. Okay, we decide, for example, that here is a rebound and here is price being in the moment when you have to sell with the stochastic signal. What should we do next? We make help like this. We draw this tendency. And for you to go down to sell euro dollar with the target, for example, 1.0760, you need to see how price breaks this tendency line. After that, you sell. If price staying above this tendency line, if price goes above 200 moving average, you are welcome to buy with the target 1.0890. I don't know what will happen to currency pair. I know how to work with all these tendency lines. I don't really care about your currency intraday, like, well, what will happen to their economy or what will happen to something else. We trade here, okay? We take attention, we pay attention to this news, any news, statistical information or some words from politicals. We pay attention as a factor of volatility, you understand? For us, for those who want to trade and earn some money on currencies, you need to hear all this information, but not with a focus like, well, what will happen to the economy in future months or 2 months? You have to use it as a volatility moment. If you hear some news, something, for example, Trump tweets something, so for you it is a signal that you have to wait for a good volatility. So you need to draw all this technical situation and to be ready for action. If there is no news, like it was yesterday in the first period, in the first part of the day, market can be boring a little bit. So yeah, if there is no news, so you don't have a moment to trade and to wait for some good movement. Okay, that is why I'm trying to understand, to give you a clue that all this news, they are really good for you traders, not only people who want to discuss something, but for traders. You need to act to earn here. So wait for this news and do understand that this is a moment when you see the breakdown or rebound, this is a moment to act, okay? Use together with the technical situation, and this is a moment you wait for price to give you here right now, guys. Either they will give you a rebound and you buy up, either they give you the break of tendency line and after that you go down. This is a good technical situation for now. I go to chart. Hello, any good opportunity to sell New Zealand? I don't have New Zealand Japanese yen for now on chart, I'm sorry. After the break, I buy euros there, okay. 10840, and also New Zealand Swiss franc. We see the trend. Well, okay, you know, we see the trend and support and resistance and trade. Don't know anything in future. We see. Okay, I hope I gave you an understanding how to understand what's going on. I would like, you asked me a lot about New Zealand dollar. Let's go to New Zealand dollar. Let's go there. Let's go there. Okay, about this situation. I wait for this price, 0.63. Well, this is the currency pair that I traded a lot. And what I do know about my relationship with this currency pair, that sometimes they give you a good technical moment to sell and they don't listen to the situation. Here is a New Zealand bank that is like a perfect person who tells something and gives it to you. If they say that they will change currency, the rate, they do it. For example, European Central Bank, our Federal Reserve, they don't do that. Like if you go back like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, if New Zealand Bank says that they will change the rate, they do it. If they go down with the rate or go up with the rate, whatever, they do it all the time. If you see technical situation for New Zealand dollar and you think that this is the perfect moment, that this will always be the bad moment, okay? That is my opinion. For example, if you see now good rebound from this tendency line, I don't sell now actually. Why? Because First of all, here's this price 0.63. Technically, it is a really good level. And price may go up, look here, the price may go up to this tendency, and after that gives you faster way. Well, a lot of people now will try to sell, so they put stop loss here. Market has to take these stop losses. After that, people see this tendency line, the red one. They will try to sell from here. Market will eat these stop losses. And somewhere from here, they will be ready to give you a rebound. For example, I'm not right now, and price goes down. I will be ready to sell after I see this breakdown, after price goes under this tendency. Okay, after that, yeah, I will sell. So I need to see price giving me new minimum, new minimum, new minimum. After that, I will sell. For now, we don't get new minimum. Price is giving you a minimum, but it is higher than the previous one. For example, here, you know that here is one stable maximum. Like, okay, this is the moment to sell. Here is no new minimum price. There is no good seller for now. No, there is no one who will sell this currency pair. That is why I am being aware that price will try to test this level of resistance, and after that will try to go down. I will repeat again. So in the morning, like hour and a half ago, I did tell to my traders that there was good technical moment on 15-minute chart to sell, but only on 15-minute chart. That is why we don't sell, we wait. And for now, we are going actually to go through this situation and maybe to go up with all these currencies. Okay, so I just told you situation for euro, for Great Britain pound, for New Zealand dollar, for gold, so for silver, when to understand that you have to act, that you have to enter market. I hope that was easy, that was understandable, guys. I will remind you about my trading club who wait for me actually right now. And yeah, please press these fingers under the video, guys. I will finish now. Okay, yeah, a lot of time. Thank you very much. I finished my video, guys. Thank you very much for being with me. Please ask questions under this video. I wish you a profitable day. Follow those lines that I did give you right now, okay? But do not trade. Just watch how they work for you, okay? Something that you hear from different people, do not try to work right away, because if it works for me, it doesn't mean that it will work for you right away. It is really hard psychological work with you. Yesterday, I was even mad for the market. I was like, oh my God, I don't like this kind of days. And there is my colleague from Australia who was like, whatever, I don't trade today. I don't trade at all. I was like, no, I'm going to trade. Well, market is okay. And in my Telegram channel, Russian Telegram channel, I asked people like, what's the result from this trading day for you? And 16% of people from 100%, 16% were like, well, this is a normal day. I trade, it's good, I'm in profit. 15% were like, well, it was hard, but I'm in plus, I'm in this 15%. It was hard, but we're okay. Well, 8% lose money, 13% lost a little bit money, but they were still fighting for their profit. And there were 11% who didn't know what to do at all. So yeah, I can't tell you that was yesterday that was the best day, because usually when day is okay, there are a lot of people who are writing, well, whatever, it's good, we're okay, we trade, we are in profit. And yesterday wasn't the best day. I'm telling you that even I was a little bit mad for the market, like, well, I don't like this kind of days. But I have a huge background. I have a huge history that helps me to take some profit on 1 minute chart, on 5 minute chart. I will find easy way to take some money. Not a good, maybe sometimes not a good way for the price to go up, but I will find some little way to earn a little bit. If it works for me, it can work for you, but not right away, okay? You can take my ideas, you can take my system and try to repeat, to work with it. And if it will work for you, if you do understand what I'm telling you about, you're welcome to my trading club, to my Trading Club Pro, where I give more ideas on daily basis, and I give some educational information that will help you to be stronger with what you see. This is like the most important thing, like to believe in what you see. Because market gives you an opportunity to see short positions and long positions in 1 minute. Sometimes it happens. That is why you need to learn day by day, and maybe in a month, maybe in 2 months, maybe in 2 years, you will become a strong trader. Thank you very much for your attention. Please put these fingers under the video, and of course join my channel. I hope you are in profit, and my videos will help you to become a good trader. Thank you. See you guys. Yes, I will go through something that you wrote in chat, and I will answer, guys, in Telegram channel. Thank you very much. Yes, I will go through what you wrote. Nasdaq, I see Nasdaq.